Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use volume profile on Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and select a chart. You'll want to ensure you have a clear view of the price action. This powerful tool helps visualize market sentiment and potential turning points by displaying volume distribution across price. It's an easy method to enhance your chart analysis. To add the volume profile, go to the studies icon at the top of your chart. Click Add Study and type Volume Profile into the search bar. Select it and click Add. You can then customize its appearance and parameters, such as the time frame it covers or the number of horizontal rows, to fit your analysis needs perfectly. Once added, you'll see horizontal bars representing volume at each price level. Longer bars, or high-volume nodes, show where significant trading occurred, indicating strong price acceptance. Shorter bars, or low-volume nodes, suggest less interest or faster price movement. The point of control, or POC, is the single price level with the most traded volume. You can use volume profile to identify key support and resistance levels. High-volume nodes often act as magnets for price, while low-volume areas can be easily broken. Watch how price reacts around the point of control for potential reversals or continuations. Combining this with other technical analysis tools can significantly improve your trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.